Are you a type 2 diabetic like me and you want an alternative to potato chips? Well, I've discovered this and I'm so excited. I am making my own homemade dehydrated zucchini chips with Old Bay seasoning. It's kind of spicy. Yum. So the way I put this together, I have a mandolin, which in fact I bought at the Goodwill for about $4. There's a bunch of them. You should look for kitchen equipment there. And I put it in my dehydrator. These have been here for about 12 hours at 125 degrees. But if you don't have a dehydrator, you can definitely put these on a cookie sheet on a low setting in your oven. But, you know, zucchini has a very low glycemic index, has low glycemic load, which means it won't impact your blood sugar quickly. It won't spike it up. And they're very low carb. So if you're looking for an alternative to potato chips, try zucchini chips. Dehydrate them or dry them in your oven. Very delicious. And by the way, you can find very affordable dehydrators nowadays at the thrift shop or even online, new on Amazon. I've seen some as low as 30 bucks. So for tips like this, follow me, Shirley Bovshow. I'm the Eat-A Maker, also known as Foodie Gardener. And unfortunately, for now, I'm a type 2 diabetic, but you know what? Join me and let's reverse diabetes together. I'm here for you, got lots of tips. Talk to you soon.